It is a challenging place to bat. I mean, it's just the statistics will tell you that it's probably one of the more difficult places to bat in, especially in the Highveld area up here in Centurion and in Johannesburg. The wickets do tend to do a bit and they get up and down as well. I think just as batsmen, I think, it's not, I mean, obviously we've trained quite hard in the practices. We've had a couple of discussions around, what might be tactics and strategies that they may be able to use in these kind of conditions. What is the brand of cricket we're going to play? Every one of the batsmen will have his own sort of game plans and how he wants to go. As long as they're clear about it and they commit to it and they're practicing towards that, then that's fine. So we don't expect everyone to play in the same way. We want them to be very clear about what works for them and then be able to execute that. We're trying to sort of replicate a little bit of the match scenarios in our training sessions and seeing whether that kind of helps. But yeah, I mean, I think in the end, there's a lot of experience in the group as well. The boys, once they get out there, a lot of it is mental. And I guess, we'll try and stress on the fact that if we do get going, if we get the opportunity to get set, then try and make it a match-winning contribution. It's a great challenge. It's a great. It's in some ways it's a good problem to have with the kind of options that we have. In spite of players getting injured, we seem to have quite a few options for people who can come in and step in and perform at the international level. So, which is a great sign. It's a great sign for Indian cricket and a great position to be in. And yeah, I mean, obviously there are challenges, and sometimes there are challenging decisions to make. There are difficult decisions to make, and sometimes you have to leave out people even though they've performed well, or even though they might be good enough to get into the playing 11, just because there's somebody else who's also performing really well and doing really well. So yeah, but it's a good position to be in, and I think it's great to have that depth, and especially the amount of cricket that we're playing. The more we build on that depth, the more we grow that depth, then it gives us an opportunity to be competitive, irrespective of the 11 we play on the day. So yeah, it's also a little bit about good communication and being clear with people about why they're playing and why they're being left out in particular situations.